Hello traders, hello friends, welcome again to my channel. Coach Jay here again, and for today's video I will be analyzing the chart of gold or XAU USD and also the Euro USD. Alright, so again, just to remind you that this is not a trade recommendation, this is not financial advice, this is just for our educational purposes only. So always trade at your own risk. Alright, so let's begin with the monthly time frame of gold or Euro USD. As explained, nasa monthly tayo, okay, no, nagkaroon ng bounce from this strong historical resistance. Okay, so for many occasions, pag dumadating ang price dyan, nagkakaroon ng bounce to the downside. And then, ngayon nga, nag-act na siya as support itong level na to. Okay, and we also notice this very perfect na bullish candlestick na to, which I explained talagang pag nakakakita tayo ng ganitong candle, especially sa monthly time frame pa, ay ibig sabihin ang buyers talaga ang may control. Okay, so very risky na mag-sell. Okay, so ni-remind ko rin kayo dyan last time. Okay, and if we want to check nga yung mga position ng retail traders, as you can see, no, majority sa mga retail traders, 66% ay nag-short. So, if you can see, no, naririto sila sa may 2143 nila. 2143.67 na price. So, siguro nag-assume nila or whatever, akala nila magkakaroon na ng deeper retracement or magkakaroon na ng reversal. Okay, that's why very important na we follow the trend and we follow the big institutions. Okay? So, yan. Hindi biro itong thousands of pips na to na loss nila currently. Alright, so that's monthly. And then, let's go to the weekly. Okay, so another all-time high na naman, no? Ang ginawa ng gold, no? Ang pinaka price nila, inabot ng 2352.28. Okay? And then, weekly. Let's go down to the weekly time frame. Okay. Oops. Alright, so here is the weekly time frame. If we will use the Fibonacci ratio. Okay. Alright, so ang next na possible, so I use the Fib extension na negative 27.20%. So, ang price pwedeng talagang umabot, okay, ng 2,400. Okay? Pero syempre, alam naman natin na yung price ay hindi naman siya straight line. Okay? So, kailangan nagre-retrace din siya, di ba? Impulse, correction, bago niya ma-reach kung ano talaga yung magiging parang pinaka-ceiling price na ng gold, alright? So, based sa Fibonacci natin, the price can reach 2,400. Okay, so let's read some news. Okay. Oops, stop. Gold prices are about to shoot up even higher. Okay. So, gold is trading now at record highs and it could hit 4,000. Pero sobrang, naman, no? Sobrang taas naman yan. Okay. So, talagang even, very, talaga, no? Very, very bullish ang gold. Gold extends record rally amid speculative buying, geopolitical tensions. Okay. So, hindi ko na yan babasahin ng mahaba. If you have time, you can read. Okay. And then, let's go back to the chart for possible trade. Okay. So, pwede natin hintayin na mag-retrace ang price dito sa may level ng 38.2%. Alright. Ayan. So, let's go down pa sa daily time frame. Okay. So, as you can see, yung na-plot natin ay magandang level din siya. Okay. Dahil dyan nagkaroon ng breakout point. Okay, so pwede siyang mag-act as support. Okay. So, if the price reaches this area, we can buy. Okay. And then, target muna ay yung pinaka-recent high niya. Alright? But, this is the daily. And then, share ko rin pala sa inyo later yung trade ko. Okay, baba tayo sa H1. Alright. Okay, so ito yung trade ko kaninang morning. Okay, so dito ako nag-execute ng trade ko sa 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so syempre sabi ko sa inyo, dun lang ako, maghihintay lang ako ng buying opportunities dito sa gold. Okay, so ito, kaya ako, kanina nag-trade ako dito sa area na to. Explain ko lang. Yan. Alright, so bakit ako dyan nag-trade? Dahil, as you can see, nagkaroon na naman siya ng breakout dito sa resistance na to. Okay, so pwede nyo ulit panoorin yung video natin about the scalping sa 5 minutes. Okay, pero ganun din naman ang, ganun din naman ang method ko. So, nagkaroon siya ng breakout. Breakout dito. Okay, so syempre, inabangan ko siya sa area na to kasi ito yung previous resistance that can turn into support. Okay? So, ito napansin ko siya, nagkaroon talaga ng bounce dito sa area na to. Okay? Tapos, gumamit din ako ng FIB. Okay? Alright, so, Diyan ang naging area ko. Okay? Tapos, nung nakita kong nire-reject na siya to the downside, tapos nakita ko pa itong bullish engulfing na to, nag-trade na ako dyan. Okay? So, nasa 100 pips din yung nakuha ko dyan kanina. Okay, so ngayon, pwede ulit tayong mag-trade. Yan. Kasi nagkaroon na naman ng breakout dito. Kita nyo, di ba, nagkaroon ng breakout. And if we will measure yung FIB niya, magandang level din naman dahil naririto siya sa may around 38.2%. Okay, nagkaroon na ng bullish engulfing, no? So, yan. Okay, so ako siguro hintayin ko siyang i-retest dito kasi hindi na magiging maganda yung risk to reward ratio ko. Okay. Yan. So siguro mag-pending order na lang ako dyan. Tapos, ayan. So maganda pa rin ang aking risk to reward ratio ko. So ito siguro, this will be my trade. Okay. Magpe-pending order na lang ako. Ngayon kapag hindi niya binalikan, okay lang naman yon, di ba? Pwede pa ulit akong mag-intay. Okay? So, yun lang. Basta lagi lang akong buy level. Kasi nga, anytime, any moment, pwede naman talaga magkaroon na ng reversal. Hindi naman totally i-reverse niya yung buong yung trend niya. Kasi, alam niyo naman, ang momentum ay very bullish. So, possible na magkaroon lang ng deeper pullback. Okay? Kaya, buy level. So, ito lang muna yung magiging tipi ko. Yan. So, later after nitong video, baka mag-ano na ako. Mag-buy order limit na ako. Okay, so that's for gold. And then, let's move on to Euro USD. So, dito naman sa Euro USD, okay, so looking at the daily, okay, na-analyze na rin naman natin yung weekly nito. And sabi ko, bullish tayo rito. Okay, yan yung daily. Bullish tayo because of this very aggressive na candlestick na to. Okay? Kasi na-break niya itong previous resistance na to, no? Okay. So, syempre, baba ulit tayo sa 15 minutes. Kung makakakita tayo ng trade setup. Okay. Okay, let me just remove the drawings para mas maliwanag. Okay. So, as you can see, no, dito sa 15 minutes or even sa H1 siguro. Okay, so, sige. Kahit dito sa H1, we can observe this, okay, no, itong inverted head and shoulders na to, which is a bullish price action pattern, wherein possible na magkaroon ng, umakyat talaga ang price. Okay? So, alright. So, ang target siguro natin, if ever ma-break itong trend, itong neckline na to. Okay. So, pwedeng two ways na pwede kayong buy stop. Okay, dito. Tapos, kahit ito muna yung target nyo. Or pwede tayong pumunta ng 4H. Okay. Ayan, sige. Pwedeng, yan na nga muna yung target natin kasi buy level tayo. Okay, balik tayo sa 15 minutes. Alright, yan. Sige, so, so that's my plan naman for Euro USD, no? Magbabay ako, okay? Right. Okay, so nasa strategy nyo na yan, no? Kung magli-limit order kayo, dito nyo na lang, dito nyo iset, or magba-buy stop ba kayo, dito nyo iset. Okay, so yun lang mga traders. I hope may napulot ulit kayong inputs for today's video. Bye-bye!